Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. What is up? So, I found this note on my bed telling me to get ready for a scavenger hunt. So, I thought why not do it on YouTube with all my viewers. By the way, it's gonna be fun. And also, I took a break from doing technical videos, so this might be fun. So, let's start the scavenger hunt. So, going and showing that note. It clearly says ready for a scavenger hunt question mark if you turn back, which means there is something on the back side. Clue 1. In your bedroom find your suit but can't be determined which. Good luck with exclamation mark and a smiley. So I obviously have two suits. One is the new one which I told you about, and one is the pilot suit which I currently wear. So it has a lot of pockets. So I'm gonna search in each and every one of them. Not there in the first, not there in the second, third, not here. There should be something inside. There is one pocket. No. Another one, no. Which means it should be somewhere here. Not this one. Not this one. Yes, I found a note. Keep it on the floor, fast. Clue 2. Since you have found me, I will give you a hint of the reward. Find it in your pen case. So it obviously says that I have to carry the notes everywhere with me for the clue, and I'm gonna turn on my light now. My pen case, it's right here. So I'm gonna set the note here. I'm gonna open it up, put it on the floor. There's not one but two of them. I guess I'll read this one first, which is this. Clue 3. The thing which you really want for year end. If you can guess, what is that? Go ahead. The thing which I really want for year end. Year end means, oh yes, Christmas, correct. Which means my Christmas presents. Yes, I've guessed it. Okay, this is the note, and this must be the fourth one, I think so. Clue 4. Go to your terrace for the next clue. That doesn't help because I have two terraces, one which connects to the other, so I'm gonna carry this clue with me. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna go up to the terrace, but first I'm gonna turn off my room light. By the way, the scavenger hunt seems to be fun, but I don't know what reward is waiting for me at the end. I'm gonna pause. I've arrived in my first terrace and I'm searching for that clue with X-ray vision and everything on. I'm searching. It should be a note like this. I'm searching for notes, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. Maybe under this plank. No. There are some hiding spots like behind the plant and everything. Searching everywhere. Inside the plant also can be a great hiding spot. It's nothing, which means there's only one space left to check out. This is this area. Clean look. I have a lot of plants growing, contributing to the nature. So that means the only thing it should be there is my second terrace. I'm gonna go there now. Should be here somewhere. I'm searching. Where is it? There's something here, and there are even some plants here. I'm searching everywhere. Should be some or the other thing. Wait, what is that? Yes, it's a note. It's a note. There's some work going on, so that's why I paused the video and the note is here. Clue 5 in your cycle, but there's a task given. Ring the bell for 3 times, then proceed. Okay, going to my cycle parking. Fast, quick. I can't wait to see what my Christmas gift is. Full speed. But by the way, never run on the stairs. It's very risky for you. I fell almost 3 times. So I'm gonna pause the video because of the darkness. So I've arrived where my cycle is parked and gonna search everywhere now. What is that? I'm gonna set this down. Clue It's little bit blur. Clue 6. Next one is in your car's cargo hold. Wait. Isn't that the name of what I call for the car's back door in which you store goods? Yes. So, but let's not forget to complete this task and then proceed. By the way, I'm gonna throw this chit here for now. Okay, so this is my cycle bell. I'm gonna ring it. 1, 2, 3. Task is complete. Sixth one. There's the task given. Put key in but do not start. I don't even know how to start it. Okay, I'm gonna put my slippers on. I'm gonna go out for the car, unlock it, grab my keys, and I'll get back to you. I'm currently outside right now. I'm going to my car's parking lot. By the way, this is the road. Coming. The key of my car is in my pocket, and I've got the chit here with me. I'm recording it real time. So I'm going to my car's parking lot. By the way, there's a lot of leaves which has fallen. It's pretty dark, so I'm gonna switch on the lights. Okay, first light is turned on. The clue says in your car's cargo hold, so pretty clear this is my car. So I'm gonna turn on one more light and then what is that? Yes. Now the parking lot is fully illuminated. By the way, don't mind this planks. It's one of the tenants. I'm gonna keep it here. Okay, I'm gonna take the key out of my pocket. Where is that? I got it. The key. I'm gonna unlock. Yes. Open sesame. I can't see anything here. By the way, I'm gonna just search. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep the key here. Very dark, but don't mind the darkness. It's nothing here. Wait. There's one spot I haven't checked. The underbelly, where you have the spare tire. It's too difficult. My underbelly thing was correct. I found it. By the way, let's not forget about that task. So I'm gonna close it now. First, I'm gonna take the key out. By the way, don't mind the bad visibility. Task 6 I have to complete, then go on to task 7. Close. Yes, sir. By the way, where is that thing? Yeah. The chit is right here. There are two chits now. So I'm gonna go to the driver's seat, put the key in, but I'll not start as it said in the instruction. So open. Yeah. Don't mind that noise, it's from outside, but there's. I tried to mask it as thing as possible. The clue 6 says put key in but do not start. It gave me this welcome thing, so I'm gonna. Yes. Key in. And. What's wrong with this? Yeah. Okay. That warning was the alert system which came, so it was so good. I'm gonna this one take the key out. It shows a goodbye message. Yeah, the thing is gone now, which means we are gonna get out of the car and let's not forget about our seventh task. It says, 1 minute please, let the clarity get better. Change seats in car only front. Two. Does that mean 2 times I have to switch? That makes sense because it said to put the key in the car and then I have to switch seats. I'm sitting in the driver's seat, which means I have to go to this left passenger seat, come back to the driver's seat. That counts as one. Go back there and come back to the driver's seat, which means it is two complete. So we're gonna go complete the task, take those two chits out and do it. Getting ready for the first one. Never forget to take your key outside of the car. The thing which came was the warning. I turned on the reverse camera just to show you viewers that thing, but did not get that alert, did not even think of that alert of the reverse cam. So thing is, this is not one. I'm gonna do it fast. One, back to the passenger seat. Two, and back to the driver's seat, which tells two. Now let's take the seventh clue. Okay. Find it in your car's glove compartment. Please don't mind the clarity. Find it in your car's glove compartment, which means the car's glove compartment is that one right there. I'm gonna take it, go there, find my next clue, lock the car and go in search of that next clue. So ready. I'm gonna keep it here. Open that glove compartment. By the way, this is a big one. So I'm gonna find it here. No, this is not it. This is the sticker. This is the car papers. This is the manual. This is the service. I have to do this in better clarity. I have to show this clue in better clarity. I just want to show it now. I'm going to pause the video, get out, lock it, turn off the light and show you the clue. It is in your storeroom. Don't celebrate. There is another coming tomorrow. Get ready for the next hunt. Enjoy. Which means there is only one storeroom in my house, so I'm gonna go there and search it. Which means this is the last clue. But tomorrow there's another one coming, so I'm gonna do another scavenger hunt. Can't wait to see what it is, so I'm gonna go to my storeroom now. Back to my house, closing the door. Back to house. I hope you can see my face clearly. This is, I'm showing it in real time because I just want to show you each and everything. So back to my house. Going my house. It's getting late outside, which means the darkness is setting in, but I've not turned on any of the lights. I'm going up to my storeroom to see what that next clue is, or is that the final clue, the eighth one. Climbing the stairs, full speed, my storeroom. Yes, I found it. These two are the things which I went so think about. So these two are the gift, but it says there's another one coming, so don't get too excited. So I'm gonna take this down to my living room and then show you. Finally, the things which I went for is finally here in front of my eyes. So this is a Zeb, Zebronics Sphero wide gaming mouse, which has 1600 DPI, high precision, 3 level DPI switch, which means it helps to switch to DPI modes, wide gaming mouse, every gamer's dream. And on the back it says 4 buttons, rainbow LED lights, 1.3 meter cable, works on all most surfaces, plug and play. Zeb. So I'm gonna take it out now and then I'll show you. Since I'm holding the mobile in one hand and I'm doing in the other, I can't do it, so I'm gonna take it out then show you, but first I'm gonna put this aside. Wow, it's so good. It comes with 1.3 meter cable and this protective covering. I'm gonna take it out. Yeah, this is a gaming mouse. It's so good, but I can't plug it in right now because my laptop is closed there and I don't want to risk plugging it into any other things rather than the laptop. So I'm gonna unbox my next gift. My next gift comes gift packed, so good. So I'm gonna wait, is this even tape? I'm not sure, but let's remove it. First impressions, packing is really good. So I've taken this out, but it's a claw. That's it. I'm knowing there's another layer of packaging, but I don't care. This is the way of opening it. Yes. Oh wow! It is the all new Puma edition of my sports cloth. Been wanting this for so long. I'm so happy to have this. By the way, I want to tell you why am I even opening my gifts on the 9th of December instead of the 25th. The reason is that for the past 12 years I've celebrating Christmas in India, but for the 13th year I'm celebrating it in another country. The country is Sri Lanka. But don't get too excited about another airline vlog because I have to still ask permission with the airline, and as always airlines policies, you don't tell their names until they've given you permission. So I'm not going to be telling the airline name which I'm going to be flying on, but if they give me a permission to do a vlog, I'm going to definitely do it. So I hope you enjoyed, but stay tuned for tomorrow's scavenger hunt for my next Christmas gift. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.